Are Atkins protein shakes good for weight loss? When combined with exercise and healthy meals, drinking Atkins shakes can help you reach your weight loss goals or maintain your current weight. Product details. Enjoy Atkins Strawberry Protein-Rich Shakes. Each delicious strawberry shake is packed with 15 grams of protein, 2 grams net carbs, 1 gram of sugar and 5 grams of fiber to keep you satisfied. Atkins shakes give you steady energy throughout the day, so they are the perfect meal replacement or complement to your workout routine. Atkins Strawberry Shake, 11 fluid ounces, 4-pack. The Atkins Lifestyle. The Atkins Diet and Lifestyle is the original leading low-carb plan that provides quick, effective, and balanced weight loss by limiting carbs and sugar to help the body burn fat for fuel and keep your energy steady. Over 80 published clinical studies support that the science behind the principles of the Atkins diet produces effective weight loss and long-term health benefits. Say goodbye to counting calories and say hello to today's Atkins shakes to keep you on track any time of day. Atkins shakes are rich and creamy and filled with essential vitamins and minerals to keep you feeling satisfied throughout the day. Our creamy shakes make for the perfect meal or snack with protein, calcium in every sip. Strawberry Shake. Enjoy this sweet and creamy shake as part of a balanced diet. Includes 1 box of 4 ready-to-drink 11 ounces shakes. Shelf stable, no need to refrigerate. Stay on track. Achieve your health and weight loss goals with the Atkins Diet and Lifestyle. With 2 grams of net carbs and 1 gram of sugar per serving, this shake is perfect for a keto-friendly low-carb lifestyle. When used with Atkins ketogenic programs, satisfy hunger. Reach for this tasty meal replacement shake for a quick meal on the go. With 15 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber per serving, our shakes are formulated to keep you satisfied and energized for the busy day ahead. Support your system. Provide your body with vitamins and minerals to support your immune system. Each strawberry shake offers a good source of folate, zinc, selenium and vitamins D, B6 and B12. Strawberry cravings. Let this delicious gluten-free shake delight your taste buds with its rich creamy strawberry taste. It's all the taste you crave with none of the guilt. Directions. Dosage. Shake well. Best served chilled.